Hello, my crafty friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute puppy Ism. This is a step-by-step drawing tutorial, and at the end you can color your finished drawing. So let's get started. First, draw the head. It can be a big round or oval shape like this. Just make sure to leave enough space below for the body. Next, add the ears. Draw 2 floppy ears on both sides of the head like this. You can make them more rounded or droopy like this if you want your puppy to look cuter. Next, let's draw the face. Start with 2 big round eyes. Then draw a small oval nose in the center between the eyes. And next, draw a smiling mouth under the nose. Your puppy's tongue can be seen from the mouth. You can use crayons or markers to color your puppy. You can color your drawing, print it out, and show it to your family and friends. Light brown, black, or any cute color you like will look great. You can add the tongue if you want your puppy to look even cuter. Now, draw the body. It can be a small oval or rounded body shape. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Subscribe for more fun, kids, art, and craft videos. I'll see you next time. Just like the head, make it look chubby and soft like this. Make sure to add a collar or a bow if you like. Now your drawing is finished. Next, add the legs. Draw 4 short legs, and don't forget to add little paw shapes or lines. You can add a tail too. A small curved tail will look great at the back. Now let's add some details. Little dots will be added for the whiskers. Next, use a black pen or marker to outline your drawing. And here is your finished drawing. I hope you had fun making this cute puppy with me.